This is weekly chart of gold. Market made top here before starting this multi-year bear market. If Fed tapering is coming, then this is market top like this before next multi-year bear market. Actual tapering has not started yet. It is all about psychology, and this bearish psychology about tapering has created by hedge fund, because when actual tapering will start they will be taking their profit. Now they are selling. They will keep selling until September Fed meeting. If Fed does not start tapering in September, then they will wait for next. This was the market bottom when Fed first time raised interest rate. Since then market is making higher high. This time is different. This bullish market was started in 2007 with global financial crisis. It was started in US, then spread all over the world. And this was bear market for that tapering trend. This time China was poor country, was not a global player, but today China is second most powerful economy in the world. So this time is different. This is parallel channel on weekly chart. We have already explained how to draw and trade parallel channel, and this is our dynamic support, and this is your horizontal support. If we consider September Fed meeting, then this time period price can test this support, this horizontal support and trend line both together. If Fed did not say anything about tapering in September, again it's not about number, it is about psychology. Again Fed will not do tapering this year, it will only create psychology, because seller of these two top will target new lower low below this support, and their target is this support zone. If market make support at this trend line and horizontal support, then here it has enough correction to make new higher high. On top of this correction, market can easily go to $3,000 price, because every hedge fund is now talking about tapering. Fed desire is for 20%. They start raising interest rate here before they could get reasonable target. Chaos factory were already started. If Fed had not started raising interest rate here, then what they will do during coronavirus? Because hedge fund right now talking about tapering, gold going down, when actual tapering will start like here, they will talk about again on emerging market. Was different here and now it is completely different. When tapering will start, economy of emerging market will start coming down. If their people lost money, they lost their job, then they will not buy American goods and services, and directly they will lose money, because all of these hedge funds have trillions of dollars in emerging market. If tapering damages those poor country, then gold can make support at this level, and easily respecting this parallel channel will go to $3,000. Fed will not raise interest rate in one day. They will do this for entire year. They will keep raising interest rate in every meeting, then wait for market reaction. If boom and bust cycle started on tapering, then gold again will start a new bull market, and it is already predicted by this parallel channel. Before we talk about this blue trend line, we will go on daily chart. We are talking about this trend line when price made double bottom here, and last week price tested this trend line on fourth time. As long as price is trading above this trend line, it is bullish trend. If daily candle break and close below this trend line, then technically it will be first sign of new bear market. And all of these bears will target for these support one by one. If you treat forex trading as a business and give it a proper respect and don't know what is tapering, then we recommend you to reading all of this book. This book by Richard Koh was last book recommended by Warren Buffett before coronavirus. He was thinking about tapering before market crash, before Fed start printing money, before you read tapering on the news. We have read all of this book and you can start this first book, Holy Grail of Macroeconomics. This book is like biography of macroeconomics. He has explained everything from very beginning of macroeconomics to today. In this book, he have explained entire cycling of tapering. Hedge fund are talking about tapering because they have sold gold. But when they will take their profit, they will not talk about it. On first day of tapering, a new trend will start. When you will read this book, then you will know hundreds of reasons to read this book, because this is in the mind of every big player. If Fed does not change their dot plot in September Fed meeting, then they will wait for next meeting, and they can do this for entire year. You have two options: either trade completely on price action, or if you want to trade with news, then you will have to understand what is happening there. In previous videos, we have explained what you have to do when market break and retest this support, and how retest of this support will change trading psychology. So last week price test this trend line and this horizontal support both at the same time. This is H4 time frame. 17.195 horizontal support was broken after NFP data. In last video we explained about this support. Market was trading in this sideways range for almost a month. If you lost your account and buy right at the top, then we warn you this in previous video. Either bulls or bear will lose money here. Next week market can retrace back to 1795 on H4 time frame. Price made support at 1765. If this support holds next week, then market can retrace back up to 1795. At this level, horizontal support and few retracement both are at the same place. Now psychologically and technically, trend is bearish until price breaks 1795. It will be bearish. These are candlestick of monthly, weekly and daily chart. Support and resistance on these three time frame create the psychology in financial market. If you compare weekly time frame with H1 time frame, then support and resistance on these two time frame have different importance. 1834 was resistance on these three time frame. It made double top on monthly and triple top on daily time frame. For 3 weeks it made sideways correction. If this resistance had break, then they will target this monthly resistance. But this daily range break in favor of seller and they target this monthly support. Price did not tested this support, but target was there. Seller lost the moment before price reached 1755 horizontal support. For this next entire week, 1790 and 1755 are your key support and resistance. The retracement to this trend can goes up to 1790. Here seller will resell and target again 1755. Before going up, price had to again break 1790 and clearly close above this level. Now back again on weekly chart. You can trade on any time frame, but before taking entry, count the support and resistance on weekly, daily and monthly time frame together.